Hello and thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are learning how to do this type of braid. This is 5-strand, we call it bandika braid, and I'm using the long braid the way you're seeing, and I have to divide the hair into two, and then after that I'll have to moisturize my braid before I begin. Just use any type of moisturizer of your choice, and then you'll have to begin now doing the braid. So this is the braid over here, and I'm going to count it for you so that you'll get exactly what you're going to do today, so you'll get a clear picture. So I'm going to count it for you. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Yeah, so I'll be feeding in 16 pieces of braid. And then to extend the braid, if you want to, I used 3 from here, so you can see 3 pieces of braid to extend the type of braid, I mean the length that I want to achieve. So I had to extend it, and this is what exactly happen when I do this type of braid. I hope you are here with me. Please don't skip anything so that you get this right, because to begin is very, very challenging. So I'm going to align the braids on my thigh so that you guys can see it clearly. So there we go. I'm going to align it here on my leg, 16 of them, and then after that now we will be ready to begin doing our braid. So thank you so much for always supporting Janil Hair Collection. If you're coming here for the first time, feel welcome. So you can see I've aligned the braid here, so it's 16 of them. You can see the size. The first 3, they're of the same size, and then from there it's now of the same size. So I'm going to begin. I hope you're with me. Thank you so much for not skipping. So there we go. I have 2 pieces going behind my string, and then you need to do this tightly so that it won't slide, and you'll get some nice your pattern, your braiding pattern will be seen clearly. So I have to braid it only once, and then on my right side I have to divide the hair into 2 that way, and then I'll start feeding in the braid. There we go. And then I have to join it with the top part, and then I twist the hair inwards. There we go. And then do the same thing on the left side. So yeah, that's the one that I feed in, and then the one from the main braid, this again I have to divide it into 2, and then take the part that I've feed in and join it with the upper part. I hope you're getting. Okay, to begin is very, very difficult, and then from there you'll be good to go. So I do the same thing. I let it go behind, and then from now here it's where you get the 5 strands. So I'm going to feed in the 3rd braid. So twist your hair inwards again, let it go behind like that, and then do the same thing on the left side, the left side. So there we go. See, that's the one that we feed in, and then from the main braid we have, it just separate itself here. So twist my hair inwards, and that's how I do my 5-strand braid. And then from here I'll just be doing the same thing. I'll be feeding in as I twist my hair inwards. It's kind of challenging, but the more you'll keep on doing this, trust me, you'll get used to it, and it will be very, very easy. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing. As you can see, it's just dividing itself, and then I join it with the one that I've feed in, twist the hair inwards. Please don't forget to twist your hair inwards, because that's what makes this type of braid unique. Yeah, so don't forget to twist the hair inwards, and then I'm going to do the same thing take my braid. Take my braid. I let it go under my thumb, and my fingers are very, very tight, close to each other, so that I get some nice braiding pattern. I hope you're getting right what I'm trying to let you guys know what normally happen when I do this type of braid. So I'll just continue with the same thing until I'm done with the 16 pieces of braid, and then to the bottom now I'll have to extend my braid according to the length that I want to get, but remember, it's not a must. So again, as I was saying earlier, thank you so much for always supporting Janelle. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please feel welcome here, and if you'd love to see more of this type of video, please go ahead and do subscribe onto this channel, and then don't forget to turn on notification bell on, so that you'll be the first one to be notified anytime, any day that I do upload a video. So I'm just going to finish with the feeding in, and then I'll see you in a bit. I'm still here with you, and thank you so much for not skipping anything, so that you do get right what I'm trying to do today. So you can see I'm now feeding in the braid so that I extend this type of braid that I'm doing today. So I'll have to continue with the same thing, the five strands. You can see I'm just doing the same thing, nothing has changed. So I do hope you're finding this video helpful, and if yes, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do share this with a friend. Do share this video with a friend, so that we continue to learn this more and more. And if you have any question, please go on the comment section and let me know what you think about this video, and again, let me know how you do this type of 5-strand bandika braid, and at the same time let me know the challenges that you normally go through when you do this type of braid. So for now I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm almost done, and I'm just doing the same thing. Now when I do get to the very bottom part of this type of a braid, I want to continue with the 5-strand normal, so I'll have to join it into 3-strand like that. I have 2 to the left and then 2 to the right and then the one in the middle, and then I'll have to now make it into a 3-strand and braid it up to the bottom. Yeah, and that's how I normally do this type of braid. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and at the same time, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to share it with a friend. And that's how I normally do this type of braid. So this is ready for installation. Yeah, this is ready for installation. So tomorrow I'll be doing the installation for this. Please stay posted, and thank you so much for taking your time and watch this video. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.